Nothing at all. Never have no. At least we have these glasses. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Forgot you guys. Put these glasses back. I guess the mailman hasn't came yet. So, yeah, I guess the mailman hasn't came. Yeah, my sister's sleeping still. Yep, my sister's still asleep. But yeah. Like the ants killed it. The ants just killed the egg. Like, I don't. Why? Look at it. Look at the other side. It's crazy. It's like yolk plus. I'm just still here. Like my shirt. I like it. It's like Hello Kitty, but I don't like Hello Kitty. I just like it because I just like the shirt because look at this shrink. But that's not why I like the shirt. I like the shirt because like it's like it is Hello Kitty, but it's like colorful. It has the purple right there, the pink right there, more pink, the blue goes across from here, like, and then some orange, and yeah, and then the outline is yellow. Like, I like it because and it has like the back is this color, but I don't know why it has this shrine. And we might be getting a new car. So yeah, count on it. I'm kidding. But we might be getting a new car. Look at these shoes. Paw prints. Yeah, something like that. Ew. Anyway, y'all might want to get these shoe brand. I actually don't know where they're from because I got it for Christmas from my grandma. So shout out to you, grandma, if you're watching. But like the front is pink that says Skitters on it. It says Skitters, like Skittles, but it says Skitters, and black right there, Skitters up there, and then the back, paw prints. Like, who wouldn't want these shoes? If y'all don't want them, it's up to you guys. But you see my emoji friend? He's still there. guess he won't never leave. He left that time. So also guys, in the comment section down below, y'all should tell me what prank should I do on my sister. So yeah, sister, if you're watching this, I'm coming. It's on Craigslist.
3 Department 6.
Weenies cooking. There, weenies. That's all for this morning vlog. Hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe down below and comment. Hit that like button and every single thing. We already have 15 subscribers. 15 subscribers. And yeah, so we need to gain more. And this is like the first vlog for today. There's gonna be another one, 2 vlogs today, because we have not been on top of it. The second one is gonna be with my sister up. So we're gonna be doing some stuff then. But I love you guys. Peace.